Two little sea lions struggled desperately on the beach. They were entangled in the fishing net, which made them too nervous. People wanted to help them, but the sea lions were afraid of the knives in people's hands. With the help of his companions, the man seized the opportunity to cut the fishing net. One little sea lion was rescued. It immediately ran to the seaside. Then the net on the second one was also cut. They ran back to the sea happily together. Protect the ocean and don't let marine animals get hurt.